This 2008 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and M. Sales LLC. Let us get your work truck, flatbed, dumpster etc. through our 5-step process. Please contact Rick Porta at 407-720-1263 or Calvin Noel, 407-234-45015. 5-step process works. We can save you time, energy, and money. IT&M, number 39, that simple one. Let us know WAHT you're looking for. 2. We email you a list of available vehicles. 3. Place a small deposit to secure the vehicle of your choice. 4. We locate your vehicle, quality check IT and service any minor repairs IT may need. 5. Pick up and drive away happy. Visit us at affinityautomotive.com.